pesos. So, nagdala kami kasi dami namin maleta. Pero kung konti maleta natin, no, pwede isang price lang. Sarap dito. Ayan. So, see you later. Girls. Kakain mo na lunch kasi 2 PM pa ang check-in. Huwag muna tayo muna. Ganda.
Hindi ako nakapunta sa side na to.
Ano ba to? Itong beach na to?
Ano pa din to? El Nido Beach.
Ah.
Ano breakfast oh? All day breakfast.
Ayan, lunch muna tayo dito sa Cafe Uno Cafe Uno El Nido.
Kayo guys, ano
Yung sa El Nido. Yes. Mga nainitan.
Ba't ka nainitan lang siya?
Wow!
Oo, namumula. Gusto sa'yo.
Parang guhit na. Meal here in El Nido.
Whereas, tapa pa din ang hanap ng mga
We're so loyal to Tapa. Tapa and 2 eggs for protein.
mineral.
Okay, Hello! So, first night here in El Nido. So, hanap lang kami ng tapsihan. Char! Yung ganti itsura mo, pero sa tapsihan ka lang. Pero yung tapsi naman is worth 500 pesos. Taray!
Yan. Wow! Pa! Parang kulang sila.
Okay, out and about. Wow, out and about.
Pati si Max. Ano kaya ate ano yan?
Hindi, binili lang.
For Christmas. Ito kasi for Christmas.
Tsaka lang. Day 1 official. Magbubuk tayo ng island hopping sa friends hostel. And then, tamay-tamay tayo sa mga beaches. And pababa na kami.
We go to friend's hostel.
And then,
We look a little bit on the El Nido beach.
and then,
We go to the Leo beach.
and then,
We stay there.
and then,
We play volleyball.
Wow.
We eat.
We
We swim.
Volleyball?
I will be the scorer. But if there is a pump, I will play too.
Good morning. Good morning po. We're walking.
First destination po is the snorkeling spot here in the Shimizu Island. And for the second spot is here the Big Lagoon, the highlights of the Store A. And for the third spot is here in Saludans area. And for the fourth spot is 7 Comandos Beach. You can play volleyball here po or just relax at the beach. And for the last spot is here po, snorkeling in the pool, yes po. And near at the Eiffel Beach po. For our excursion is here. Boating through local guide buffet lunch. For the drinking water, you need to bring empty bottle for the refill at the And also, we provided the life business snorkeling gear. And this is our rate, 1,390. And for the lagoon, is 200. And for the environmental is 400. This total is 1,890. And this environmental po is valid for 5 days.
Yung Lagoon FOP dito na rin po babayaran upon reservation.
Opo. Then sa kayak dito ma'am, bali 300 po for then sa
So by the way, madam, if you're gonna, pag mag-register kayo sa amin, so 1,300 na lang po yung babayaran nyo. And then, on that very day, when you come here at 9 in the morning, that was the calling time, it's, just bring the OR, like the original. So, Snake Island, Intalula, Kudognon, and then Sandbar, at saka yung Cathedral Bay. So, yun yung mga places or location ng tour. And then, accurate din naman siya sa
Here at Leo Boardwalk. Gusto ko nang kumain, nagugutom ako. Pwede kumain na rin tayo. Then, mga mangingimatay na pag walang breakfast. Wow.
Service water or service water? Mineral daw yung service water. Sige na. Ayoko naman yung hanggang 3 hours.
Doon na mag-eat. Tambay na tayo dito sa may seashore.
Arabiata. Alam mo na Arabiata. Sauce yun, di ba? Pwede. Pasta. Pwede. Marinara, Arabiata.
Uy, let's yung welcome to El Nido. Against the lecture.
Unimars. Dito maganda kanina. No?
Ganito na lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to El Nido! Okay lang.
Lighting. Yung ice cream nila, iba. Wala pa.
Ha?
Malasa mo.
Amazing.
Manila.
Dinner night for day 2, and we're gonna have pizza and pasta and salad. Dami energy, B. Luluto na ako.